Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video is about Indian rivers. That is, here we will look into the Indus River, right bank tributaries of Indus River. In my previous video about Indian rivers, I had explained about different concepts about the river systems, Himalayan and Peninsular rivers, some concept regarding Indus River and its left bank tributaries. In this video we will see the right bank tributaries of Indus River, and at the end I will show some tricks to remember tributaries of Indus River easily. So keep watching. So as I told, the content of this video is Indus River right bank tributaries, and at the end a simple trick to remember different tributaries of Indus River. So this is a map showing tributaries of Indus River. I have marked in green tributaries of Indus River, that is right bank tributaries of Indus River. That is, you can see Shyok, Gilgit, Kabul, Kuram and Gumal. Okay, so first we'll see Shyok. So Shyok, it is also called as river of death because the path which it traverses is very dangerous, so it is called as river of death. And this is the only tributary which is in India. All other tributaries are either in Afghanistan and Pakistan. It flows through Afghanistan or Pakistan. So Shyok, its origin is in Rimo Glacier. It is one of the tongue of Siachen Glacier, and this river, it flows through northern Ladakh and it enters this Gilgit-Baltistan, and it flows for a length of 550 kilometers, and region which it travels is Leh, which is in India, Baltistan division, which is in Pakistan. So that is about river Shyok. Next is Gilgit. Gilgit, it starts from Shandur Lake and it passed the town of Gilgit. Maybe the town is named on behalf of based on this river, and it is located in the region Gilgit-Baltistan, and it joins the Indus River at junction point of three mountain ranges near the town of Jaglot. So Jaglot is in Pakistan. Next is Gomal. So this river, it flows through Pakistan and Afghanistan. So it covers a total length of 400 kilometers. So this river, it is described as Gomti river in Ramayana, and the river, it has got its name because of the Gomal University, which is in Dera Ismail Khan, Pakistan, which is in Pakistan. So location of this river is Katawaz region, which is in Gomal district, Paktika province, Afghanistan, and it joins the Indus River at Dera Ismail Khan district, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, which is in Pakistan, and this river, it is dammed at Kajori Khach, Pakistan. Okay. Next is Kabul River. So Kabul River, its source location is Hindu Kush Mountains. So this main river, it is a main river in this Kabul River is a main river in eastern Afghanistan and the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan. So it travels a distance of 700 kilometers, okay, and it empties into Indus River near Athok, Pakistan. So it passes through the following cities of Afghanistan and Pakistan. So Kabul, Surobi and Jalalabad in Afghanistan, and Peshawar, Charasadda and Nowshera of Pakistan. Next comes the Kuram River. So Kuram River source location is 200 kilometers southeast of Gardes, Paktia, and finally it joins Indus River at near Isha Cave. So, and Kuran Gharhi project, it is a project which is made on this Kuram River. It provides the flood control and is used for irrigation and power purpose also. So these are the important right bank tributaries of river Indus. So left bank tributary was covered in my previous video. Now let's see the trick to remember the Indus tributaries. First of all, when I was a student, I used the following trick. So to remember different places which comes in geography using some tricks. So like mineral deposits which is found in different areas, or you have to remember the tributaries of different rivers. So here for Indus tributary, you have to remember two things, like you have to identify whether a particular tributary is a left bank tributary or a right bank tributary. Second thing, you have to remember the names of different tributaries. If you can remember it directly, then well and good, and those who can't remember the tributaries directly, then they can use this method. And if you have any other better method, then you can comment in the comment section, so it will be useful for others. So first, here this is about left bank tributary. Left bank tributaries are Zanskar and Panjnad. Panjnad contains 5 rivers, that is Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab and Beas. So first you have to remember if it is a left or a right bank tributary. So first for left, see, large zebra saw JCB and ran. So L stands for a left bank, Z Zanskar, S Satluj, JCB, that is Jhelum, Chenab and Beas, and R ran, R for Ravi. So this I found it is funny and easy to remember. So if you have some other method, then you can comment in the comment section. So next, for right bank tributary, what are right bank tributary? Gilgit, Gomal, Kabul, Kuram and Shyok. So these are right bank. So read GK steadily. So R stands for right, GK. There are two rivers to remember from G and 2 rivers from K. So Gilgit, Gomal, Kabul, Kuram and steadily S stands for Shyok. So this is what I found which might be useful. And one more thing, the questions which appeared for KPSC exams are like, they will give a particular tributary and they will ask if it is a right or left bank tributary. For example, like Shyok is the right bank tributary of Indus River, and Zanskar is the left bank tributary of Indus River. So choose the correct option. Both A and B, neither A or B, only A, only B. Such questions can be asked. Or they might give like 4 options and ask which is not the tributary of Indus River, or they might ask like which is a tributary of Indus River. So these are the main and important questions which might be asked in the examinations. Okay, once this river portion is completed, we will look into the different questions which appeared for KPSC and other competitive examinations. So thank you friends. If you have liked my video, then please like a video and you share with your friends so that it will be useful for them. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and keep your preparation well and going on. Okay, thank you.